What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Thank you for watching me on another video. I appreciate you guys being here. Um, I know for anybody that's an XRP holder, you've been excited for the last month, maybe more, right? You've been excited for a year and waiting for this opportunity to happen. Things have been skyrocketing. They've been giving people gains that they would have never seen before if it wasn't for XRP. Honestly, if it wasn't for a lot of plays, even Jasmine Coin and many others. And while we are looking at this and we're so excited about all the gains that we've made, whether it's thousands or tens of thousands or hundreds of thousands or even millions, you can be excited knowing that you made the right play. But there's something that makes me less excited. It is holiday season right now. It is Christmas. You could see that I have the Christmas tree up. I have the lights up. I'm a big person for Christmas. Like I'm a huge Christmas person. And the reason why is because when I was a kid, I was never given the Christmases that I wanted. Maybe some, I had a couple, but we never really had the money to do just that. And I know for a lot of people, I've been kind of distant lately, and some people have asked me, like, oh, just because you made some money off of XRP, now you want to ghost us and not put out any information. That's not really the case. Like I said, it's the holiday season, and what I like to do is give back. I give to as many people as possible, especially kids that are potentially in the same situation that I was in as a kid. I got into a conversation earlier, and I know maybe you're not into this, but I got into a conversation maybe like a week ago with some family members about how you found out that, Santa wasn't real. I'm sorry for any kids that may be watching this. I hope not, but and I didn't want to contribute because the way that I found out was very, very sad, insanely sad. Um, and I never like to put anybody's mood down while everybody's cheerful, everybody's happy, because I didn't really have the best life growing up, right? I financially it was horrible. I lived a life. There are people that can say they haven't lived a life or can't say it at this point. Um, but I still lived through those times. So that's the only thing I can really take from that. But it wasn't at the same level as anybody else. I was never given anything. I've had Christmases where I've had nothing. I've had Christmases where I've just had socks, right? The essentials, and it hurts. And I grew up, I had a Christmas in a shelter, and that Christmas was literally the worst Christmas I've ever had. The reason being is because that's the way that I found out that I wasn't going to get anything, not just because, he wasn't coming down the chimney. The reason why I wasn't getting anything is because we didn't have any money. We were poor, right? We had nothing and we couldn't give anything else. And it made me sad for the fact that I found out that way. But it also made me sad seeing my mom, who couldn't provide for us in that way, gave us all the essentials, but couldn't provide for us and, give us toys and all of those things there, to see her upset about it. So what I'm planning on doing, the reason why I've been busy and I haven't been on here posting a lot of content or content that you guys want to see, like XRP content, is because I've literally been going through lists. I have 20 different lists for children that I'm helping out, not experience the same thing that I experienced. There are 2-year-olds, there are 3-year-olds, there's a 6-month-old, there's a 17-year-old, and for anybody that is a young child, it can be horrible to figure out that you can't just wish for you to get something. You can't just ask somebody to get you something and they get you something. You have to have the money, and that's just the way the world works. And you learn that at an early age. That sucks. It really does. Be a kid. And if you can't be a kid because you're forced to learn about this because your parents are having a tough time or you don't have parents, that's where it's tough. So I'm taking a lot of time to go through these lists and get them the essentials like boots, clothing, shoes, get them all the toys that they want, whether it's a scooter, whether it's a makeup kit. It doesn't matter what it is. I'm looking to help out and make sure those kids don't experience the same thing that I experienced as a kid. And the reason why I'm making this video for all XRP holders is because you just made a boatload of money. And what I expect you guys to do, maybe you didn't sell anything, that's fine. Giving back and giving to people that need it, that are less fortunate, is the best way for you to get ahead in life. It doesn't mean that you give everything that you own. It just means that you help out one child, right? All I do is I recommend, and all I'm saying right now is I recommend that you guys go to maybe either the local orphanages or shelters, wherever there are children that could potentially find out this way that the reason why they're not getting Christmas presents is not because, Santa didn't visit. It's because they're just poor. It's because you don't have enough money to give you the things that you want, that give you the things that you need in order to continue to charge that imagination, that childlike brain of yours to continue to be a kid. So I have all of these lists, and this is the reason why I've been busy. This is the reason why I've been distant. I've been shopping for them, whether it's on Amazon or Walmart or Target, or going in person to take all of these different wish lists that are here, all of them, and just give them a much needed Christmas, a much needed boost. And sometimes that's all a parent needs to see, is that somebody cares about their child, that somebody cares about them, that somebody cares about their family. So I know this is probably more clickbait than anything you can have out there, but I'm not asking you to donate to me. I'm not asking you to sign up for anything. I'm not asking you to do anything related to me. Don't donate to me to donate to them. I don't want that. I want you guys to do some sort of good act and help out a child that is in need, help out a family that's in need, and give them a Christmas dinner, give them a Christmas present, whatever. Give back to the community, honestly, that would give to you, right? You guys have all given to me, and I want to make sure that I can spread that to others that truly need help. So anyways, thank you guys for listening to me. This is, again, a reason why I've been distant. I will put out more videos and more content as soon as I get finished with these lists. But right now I've been kind of busy trying to figure out, all sizes and all the toys that they do want, because I do not want kids to go through the same thing I went through. It makes me upset. And this is the third time recording this video, because the first 2 times I couldn't get through it without fully tearing up and remembering the things that I've went through as a child. So anyways, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Sorry for the clickbait title, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.